In this video, we'll be showing you how to capture this beautiful red tourmaline on a black background. So very simply, I'm going to place this into the center of the GemLightbox. I already have my black background set up. To watch the black background setup video, visit the link below. Let's make sure that the item is right into the center of the GemLightbox. My reflector will go on. Smartphone goes in front. Adjust it so that the item is right into the center. Now again, tap to focus, button down or button up until you get the perfect color. Now I'm going to change my speed to slow and capture a 360 video. And once I'm ready, simply click to capture. And as you can see, it turns around and we can see all these beautiful reds show. When it gets to the back, we can see this amazing craftsmanship, this beautiful polished 18 karat white gold. And now back to the front where we see that beautiful stone carefully set in there as well. And that's it. Now I'll do the same with another pendant, which is our watermelon tourmaline. So I'm going to take this off. And now we're just going to set up our water tourmaline pendant. Again, all we got to do is wrap it up the top until we get our desired length. This will go into the center. Reflector goes on. Let's save this video and position the smartphone in front. And as you can see, the colors really do look amazing on a black background. And again, once I'm ready, simply click to capture. We can see that nice spread of color going from pink to kind of white to green, symbolizing a delicious watermelon. And again, when it gets to the back, we can really see that this is very polished. The beautiful engravings on the side and the small melee diamonds in the front. And just like that, we've created this amazing 360-degree black background video, which is a very nice way to present this product. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to reach out.